Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Oz Canopies and 4x4. What have we got today for you guys? A real treat. We've got a brand new Nissan Navara Pro 4X in today, getting one of our steel canopies. We're going to be fitting a sliding window on one of the sides as well. We're going to go through the assembly, we're going to go through the fitment, and we're going to get right into it.
beside me hustling, doing as I should. It was days that I was fumbling, always knew I could. Now the cash, it keeps on coming. Back to back, go for the wake up, all I know is day to day I get it. Had a son, now he mine. Sit and look at losses like a blessing in disguise. Think about times I almost died. I had angels by my side. Now it's back to back, I'm off the wake up, get it off the go inside to save the money strapped, I love to grab it. You can take it from me, cause I only need my time. Getting old, I'm doing fine. Doing me and I survive. Big dreams, big moves, I was made for this. Small kids, small town, never changed a bit. Long roads, cold nights, I had to pray for this. Stayed down, came up, never played with this. Vision clear now that I came out the darkness. I swear if I never made no would've left me broken hearted. But it's big hustling, big spending. Work hard, play harder, I'm in overdrive. Cool breeze, doze down, turn up the stereo. Big name, small town, they saying there he goes. You move too fast for me, on my own frequency. When I do the work it talks, don't even need to speak. This is not no mystery, so I just let it be. Took my bae to Tennessee, cause she the 10 I see. No one else is next to me, that's been a flex for me. What's meant to be is meant to be, not into forcing things. The world been testing me, the world been stressing me. God told me let it go, so he can let me breathe. Come up with melodies, it gives me checks and things. Now I got things to check, so why you checking me? Big dreams, big moves, I was made for this. Small kids, small town, never changed a bit. Long roads, cold nights, I had to pray for this. Stayed down, came up, never played with this. Vision clear now that I came out the darkness. I swear if I never made no would've left me broken hearted. But it's big hustling,
Alrighty guys, Daniel from Oz Canopies and 4x4 here. I hope you guys enjoyed that video today working on this Nissan Navara Pro 4X. We've done the steel canopy and the passenger side sliding window. Have a look through it with me guys. We'll open these compression push locks up. You can see the brake lights on there as well. Got clamping system securing this canopy, as well as brackets mounting it on the front edge of the tub. You've got front and rear glass so that you can still see out the back of your vehicle while you are driving. Mechanical gas struts controlling each of the doors. It's an easy, simple lift up mechanism. Come around this side and we'll have a quick look at our pet friendly sliding window. Openable hatch on the window. You can see guys that it can only be accessed from the inside. Don't worry about the water, our boys have just water tested this to make sure that it is as weatherproof as we can get it. As I was saying, pet friendly sliding hatch is only openable from the inside of the canopy for your protection. This glass is also tinted. This will give that pet that ability to breathe in the inside of your canopy while you're traveling around. We hope you enjoyed the video guys. Tune in for another one next time at Oz Canopies and 4x4. Signing out.